Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel again. It's time for another FabFitFun mystery bundle. This one is 2103-MYS-030, and the bag is already open because I actually started taping this and my camera went a little wonky, so I'm restarting. But I'm still excited to see what's in here. So first off, I think I will start with this long flat package, which is a Zoe Ayla Jade Roller. And it includes like a carrying bag. That's nice. I've never actually used a Jade Roller myself. I do have family members who use them frequently, and I had like a pink roller in a previous bundle, which I actually gave away. But I might keep this one for myself just because I heard they're really great, like for getting rid of puffiness, and I mean, it says it has other things like it smooths out wrinkles, etc., etc. But I tend to stay up late and I get up early, so I tend to have a lot of eye puffiness in the morning. So I think this would be really nice to just keep in my refrigerator, and that way when I'm up making my coffee and my breakfast, I could just pop it out of the refrigerator while I'm standing around waiting and just roll out my eyes. So yeah, I'll definitely check this out. So that's pretty cool. And here we have another product that is friendly to the eyes, and that is a retinol eye serum, and that's by Mad Skincare. And it says it's a perfect eye serum for those who want the benefits of vitamin A to minimize fine lines and wrinkles and to help manage dark circles and eye puffiness. So this too will help with my big puffy eyes. And here we have another product that will be nice for the eyes, and that is Becca Light Gleam Primer and Topper Liquid Eyeshadow. So let's just take a look. It says golden hour. That sounds promising. Okay, fun. So here is the primer base layer. And it's just kind of a nice neutral base. Then on top goes this glitter, the liquid glitter. And it's, I don't know if it catches on camera even how glittery it is, but it's really pretty and really eye-catching. And this will be perfect for the holiday season. I mean, I don't know if our coronavirus is still pretty high around here, so I don't know if there's going to be a whole lot of parties, etc. But I'll go somewhere just so someone can see my golden eyes. And the last item here, it's in a brown box. It says Society 6, every purchase pays an artist. I do know in a previous bundle I had a Society 6 pillow, and I really liked it a lot, and it's actually still on my bed. So maybe this will be like something cool, like a scented candle or something of that nature. Oh, what we have is a mug. Oh, and it's really pretty. It has these nice stripes up the side and like kind of calm neutral tones. It's just your standard open top mug. Now, I don't tend to drink out of mugs like this that often. I do sometimes use the Lily Pulitzer mugs that I got in my first FabFitFun box. I actually ordered 2 more in this one so I can have a bigger set for when I have company. But other than that, I usually drink out of travel mugs or mugs with like safety lids, just because I do work so much around computers and sensitive equipment that I just kind of like to keep my drinks covered up. But I may keep this. I have been working on some bundles for Secret Santa for the elderly home near me, and this might be good in there with like some nice coffee or tea. So I might set that aside for that purpose. I think someone would get a lot of joy out of that. So yeah, that was a really pretty mug from Society 6. So overall, I really like this bundle because there's a lot of stuff in there I would actually use. This is going straight to my makeup box. I'll definitely use the eye serum because I'm almost out of my other tube. And then we've got the Jade Roller. So overall, looks like a pretty good value bundle, and it's stuff that I like, so that's always a plus. Sometimes I get things that are on like the odd side, but this is all actually pretty nice and I will like it. Or in this case for the mug, someone else will like it very much as well. So thank you so much for coming back to check out my mystery bundle, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.